Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to create a board on monday.com. In order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on a PC and log into monday.com using your user credentials. After you log in, you will see the monday.com's dashboard. On the dashboard, you'll have three options to the left, that is Home, My Work and Favorites. Make sure you click on Home option. When you click on Home, you'll see the interface that will look exactly like this. Here, you'll have to simply click on this small plus icon just under New Workspace. When you click on it, you'll see Board, Doc, Dashboard, Form and Folder. So we are going to create a new board. So I'm going to click on Board. When I click on Board, I will see this pop up. Here, in the first field, I'll have to enter my board's name. After entering your board's name, you'll have to choose the privacy for your board, whether you want it to be visible to everyone in your account or for working privately, that is working alone or with selected team members. You can also click on shareable and work privately with guests outside your account. So choose the privacy for your board here and select what you're managing in this board. You can choose items, budgets, employees, campaigns, leads, projects, creatives, clients, tasks, and you can also select custom and add a custom field for what you're managing in this board. So I'm going to simply select items and click on create board. After I click on create board, I will have successfully created a board in this workspace. Now I can start editing and using this board pretty easily just by altering any field required. You can click on three dots icon, you can rename your board, move this board, change the board type, you can add it to favorites, duplicate this board and save it as a template. You can also delete or archive this board just by selecting any option given in this field. So simply click on this plus icon and choose board to create any new board on monday.com. That's how you do it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell.